The partnership with School L started with a needs assessment in May of 2018, a meeting attended by both facilitators and the assistant principal. The administrator's characterizations of students were marked by a deficit lens, and he was unable to clarify the shared planning time or the school's current partners. However, the assistant principal voiced support for project-based and authentic learning, key components of STILE. He did not know if it met the teacher's needs and suggested that teachers actually had more flexibility with curriculum than they used. Weeks later, in an interview, a teacher reported that they were supposed to have shared planning time, but they did not. The teacher noted that there was principal support, but the teacher worried about time constraints. Where's the time? We need the time. After testing, the facilitators met with the assistant principal before their first planning session with Cohort 1. In that meeting, the teachers chose to wait until the following school year to start planning. However, 2 weeks later, the facilitators met with Cohort 1 again to discuss understanding by design in STEM and provide examples. Teachers noted a need for more time. Over the summer of 2018, 4 teachers from Cohort 1 attended an institute. In fact, one teacher became an enthusiastic participant who contributed to discussions about assessment, especially formative assessment, and advocated for authentic assessment. Unfortunately, they also described their school as dysfunctional and lacking administrator support. In the fall of 2018, the facilitators met with the assistant principal 4 times, including an administrator meeting in November. They completed 7 planning sessions between October and December. In the spring, the teachers moved toward implementation, which included 6 classroom visits and 2 planning sessions. The project designed by these teachers received high marks from evaluators. Perfect score of 12 out of 12. The semester concluded with a reflection session with teachers, another administrator meeting, and, because of graduations, a new facilitation team at School L. Based on challenges experienced in scheduling for Cohort 1, the assistant principal focused recruitment on teachers who were not bound to other professional development commitments. Over the summer, 3 teachers in Cohort 2 attended a summer institute. With a new facilitation team, Cohort 2 met for 5 planning sessions and 1 administrator meeting between November and December of 2019. In the spring of 2020, the team continued planning, meeting 7 times between January and March. At the outset of the pandemic, it remained unclear how or if teachers would implement the project.